to do some dermal fillers on this patient. And what dermal fillers are typically hyaluronic acid. What we do is we inject them at different depths into the skin to provide lift and volume. As you can see, I've marked the patient out as to where I'm going to inject. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull back the cheeks and lift them just a little bit, and that will soften this area as well. This filler has numbing medicine in it, so it's usually pretty comfortable for the patient, and we will give them some ice and they can roll that on there, and it's usually very comfortable for the patient. And you can see the area is filling up nicely, and we're giving her a little bit of lift to her cheeks. And usually the patient will stay pretty comfortable throughout. These fillers will last about 1 to 2 years, depending on which filler we use, and then they will need to be redosed.